Week 2 back at Muncie, Hoosier no prep this time. We got a really, I would say, pretty good turnout. I got James here. He's coming over, you know, to wish me that he's gonna kick my ass.
Good luck, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Hey, if I start spinning, kind of wait on me a little
Okay,
bit,
just ease out a little?
Yeah, just ease out a little bit.
I'll try.
I didn't change the tune-up. I didn't have
Oh
time.
my gosh, kamikaze?
Yep.
Dude.
Do or die.
Hey, good luck.
It'll go where it won't.
Yeah, that's right. We'll find out. So, yeah, James has the Kenny tune-up in it. Basically, he's got his radial prep tune-up in it for this. You know, we've got half a dozen test passes on this thing. None of them have been real good, but we got a couple that aren't too bad. So I added some fuel, put fresh plugs in it to get a read on it. So we'll see what happens. We need to get Bumper's motor fixed. This dude's bought every other hobby now, and I'm really getting concerned. He's about ready to get out of the car hobby and get. We just look at him. Doesn't even look like a racer anymore. I need a motor.
Anybody got a motor?
Gonna have it soon.
Until I get the engine, I'm buying anything anybody has for sale.
We'll put Bumper Wilson Tuning's number below.
Yeah, that's right.
The direct line to Sean Finster's cell phone.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, the only hobby he hasn't taken up is basket weaving yet, but he's got every other one covered.
I got something to tell you.
Well, that was pretty freaking good. So that was like the best. That's the first full pass I've made in it yet. Like the other passes, the 5 or 6 other ones, haven't been able to be full passes. It like broke up top. It acted weird. That was the first time I've been able to go A to B, like a clean rip. It basically went exactly what it was supposed to be. And so dude, I'm super happy. Won first round. So now if we can get the other guys through first round too, I think we'll have a pretty good night ahead of us.
Thank you. My first round win at Muncie. It's like my home track, and I always get my butt kicked here first round. So I'm feeling good. It did exactly what we thought it would do. So just hoping that can continue the rest of the night. I want to go some rounds.
night, boys, but it wasn't. It was a horrible day. This is like the freaking worst day of racing ever. Dylan ends up beating every panel off the side of his truck. I just blew through the converter and blew oil everywhere. Alan did actually very well. He hasn't won a first round here ever, so he had a very good day. He went down to the final 3, so, you know, I think this was a struggle.
I still got to race the finals.
Oh, you're in the finals? Yes. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't.
Barbara, let's just head home, boys.
Yeah, let's just go out. See you, Eric. Thanks, dude. Film your own shit. But it's been I guess it's been a good day for some. Others, very bad day. This is the first time we've been water burnout here in a while, like long time.
Yeah.
And apparently nobody was treating tires here today because it's still slick as shit. When we got the tire treaters here, it's very easy to see that it gets sticky, and it did not get sticky, period, today at all. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Overall good day, and I'm gonna try Bumper's converter tonight, and I'm never giving it back if it works. And
it's a top secret converter from Pete. I wasn't gonna tell anybody. It's got nitrous built into it. So
I'm gonna try that tomorrow, hopefully, and go to Milan and try to go faster.
Guys left good. I mean, it was a good race.
Wasn't that close.
Okay. It wasn't? Like half
I was
a car?
bringing them in, but a car.
Okay.
I'd say a car at least, maybe 2. Every time I say a car, it's 2.
Right, no shit.
There's less people on the track. I think the dude's kind of, the car was covered in
They
it.
made it a tough track out there tonight. Yeah.
They did good pass. I mean, the car did good.
Dude,
I feel
killed it.
good.
Did awesome.
Yeah. Sucks, man. We nailed it that second tune-up, that second round, but it was right lane. It was all right lane.
Yeah. Good job, dude.
At least I got that out of my system. Didn't draw him for that thing will be on
Come on,
fire.
it matches. Black and black, it matches perfectly.
I do owe you something, though.
Uh-oh, what do you got?
Like a knuckle sandwich or what?
Well, that too, because that's 3 in a row now.
Oh, he's getting him a Pizza King card. Nice.
Oh yeah, that is 3 in a row.
That's basically $70.
That's 3 in a row.
Hell yeah, dude.
People try to finance these, and I'm you didn't say what kind of pizza. You didn't say
sausage, pepperoni, large.
You would want sausage.
Oh yeah, little baby. We got the ones we just throw in the microwave for you.
Yeah.
Hey, and you can't poison it either.
Totino's. You didn't say
Totino's.
Yeah, 1 Totino's pizza.
Finals of Daily Driver or Modified, it's called something like that. Zarek is right back there. He's getting ready on his way up. He is in the finals. The old NA60 that could. So he's racing that little Malibu right there. We'll see how this goes. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job over here, Bumper. Keep up the good work, dude. You're hired. Rodney would like you to report tomorrow morning here to start, you know, working up at the front, bud.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Can I let you use my torque converter also?
Oh, yeah, you very well may. Let's just see what we can do with that. Light is in full effect. Special delivery, an ass whooping, hopefully. Great group of the dudes over there. They've been racing the Banger a while. Sold them some slicks this morning that they're now racing us with. Yeah, I think it is his first finals. Yeah. No, you know what? No, he was in the finals one other time. Did he jump or was Eric late? Yeah. Ooh, he may have left a little early. You guys are gonna beat us with our own slicks, man. But hey, they're gonna look at the cameras. I think he might. He was on the light. He was trying to cut a killer one.
He's moving right there. Then the light came on.
Right light.
Did he jump? Yes, sir!
Rick, you did it!
Yes!
The little 5.3 that could, bud. Woo! Yeah, dude. Yeah. Nice work, brother. Nice work. They didn't want to admit it. And then their own guy, it's really weird. They're nice people. I sold them a set of slicks. They about beat us their own slicks this morning. And their one guy came up and I think he was hoping it was his camera, which is a really good view of it, wasn't going to show it. And it showed it really bad. Like, John's camera was dark, so you couldn't see the tire move, but the car moved. And his buddy's like, oh, look at mine. And it was 100% burnout before the lights, man. Hey, good job, dude.